Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. I hope you are well. The Russian government has once again taken a step to show their support for Islam and how high they perceive Islamic values to be. The legislative body of Russia has given its approval for the introduction of Islamic banking within a trial period of 2 years, commencing on September 1st. This law institutes a trial legal framework within 4 specific regions that constitute Muslim-majority areas in Russia. Back in July, Russia's lower house of parliament passed a bill to introduce an experimental Islamic banking system in the country's mostly Muslim regions. The pilot project will start on September 1st and will last for 2 years. According to some estimates, Muslims make up nearly 10% of Russia's 143 million people, with 4 areas in the country's south having the highest concentration. The adoption of Islamic banking has the potential to grasp the attention of Muslim nations and investors, notably. Like, subscribe and share with your friends, brothers and family.